All right, so today I'm here with Tanya. My name is Dana, and we're gonna do the pink clay mask from evanhealy. evanhealy is a line that we carry. It's an all-natural skincare line, holistic skincare, and she doesn't believe in using harsh acids or retinoids for exfoliation. She believes in using clay. So she makes two clays. We're gonna do the red one because I'm a little more sensitive, so this is good if you're delicate skin, mild congestion, nothing too intense. It's gonna exfoliate, remineralize the skin, but it's super gentle. It is a powder, so you see I'm using the little clay bowl. I dump some of the powder and then I'm activating it with one of the hydrosols, the rose geranium hydrosol.
And they use a Moroccan Rasoul clay, so it's very gentle for even the most sensitive skin types. Loosens the pores, but it doesn't remove too much of the skin's own natural oil. It retains the lipid sheath of the skin, but still removes all of the dead skin. This is also really great if you're planning on using a treatment for the skin, like let's say a vitamin C serum. So this really helps remove the first layer of dead skin off of the dermis, but again, without removing too much of the skin's natural oil. Okay.
She also has this great fan brush that you can use to apply the clay. You get a really even layer. It's not messy, you're not using your hands. It's a really, really nice ritual.
So we're gonna go ahead and prep the skin for the French Rose Clay Mask. We're gonna go ahead and do a really nice distribution of the facial toner. We're going to use the Rose Geranium Facial Toner. We're also going to add some of the Rose Geranium Facial Toner to the clay mask in the bowl. And with the fan brush, we're gonna go ahead and start to evenly apply it. What's really nice is this is an alternative to salicylic acid. This isn't gonna thin the skin. So even if you have aging skin or skin that's really sensitive, this will not thin out the skin in any way. The brush really allows you to get a really nice even distribution of the mask. But this should take about anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes to dry. And once it's dry, you can go ahead and compress it off with a nice warm washcloth, and your skin is left feeling very refreshed and polished. You can also, post-treatment of the mask, you can go ahead and apply a nice rose oil serum, and check back with us on future videos on how to go ahead and do that. So, thank you.